Yeah, buddy. We are back for another drive on the 87 Thruway, also known simply as the Thruway. It's a major highway in the state of New York and part of the Interstate 87 corridor, which stretches 426 miles from the rat-infested New York City to the Ice Age Canadian border at Champlain. The Thruway serves as a vital transportation artery, connecting various regions of New York State. It passes through several major cities, such as New York City, Yonkers, Albany, Syracuse, and Buffalo. You will also pass by some of the sweetest landscapes like the Catskill Mountains, Adirondack Mountains, and Niagara Falls. Maybe if New York gets their crap together, they can make a third or fourth lane for Sunday traffic. But I won't hold my breath on that one. Don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with your fellow travelers. We'll see you at the end of the video.